safari about to begin.
See the wonders of the jungle.
Find out why the natives are restless. A little louder, chum. I hear a customer. Get your bargain right here. 2 guides for the price of 1. Special rates for trees. Road map? Road map?
Peanuts for the elephants.
Mosquito nut?
With mosquitoes.
Plant food for your tree?
Beat it, fellas. I'm trying to make a movie of wildlife.
Movies?
Wildlife?
Are you ready, HB?
To be sure, JB.
Cut!
Cut.
Hold it!
Makeup.
Lights, action. Roll 'em.
Camera.
Camera. Hold it! Hold it! Beware of bandits at Dry Gulch, partner. Westerns are going real big this season.
You can't miss with a Western.
Such thrills, such excitement, such cold hands.
I've had just about enough from you two.
I say, old featherhead, this fellow doesn't appreciate talent.
You're right, chum.
Absolutely no gratitude.
You're right, chum.
Shall we?
After you. And as we make our way down the turbulent river, the great unknown jungle lies to either side of us. Hello, hello.
I say, are you there?
You.
Look.
Get the camera ready. Shoot, shoot.
Camera, action.
Keep them busy, chum. We're getting some great shots. That's it. More action, more action. Keep it up. Hold it, hold it. Here's a chance for the picture of a lifetime, chum. Stay with it, chum. We'll shoot this for you.
Cheap. Cheap.
My friend, you have a fortune here.
Some of the greatest wildlife shots ever photographed. I can see it now. People breaking down doors to get into the theaters. Your name in lights all over the world. Money pouring in. Money. And just for our small fee.
Let him have his camera, old bean. I say, we'll just have to shoot it all over again.
Shoot it over over again. Shoot it over again. Oh no, oh no. No,
Discourages easily, doesn't he?